Layer the chorus? Yeah. Alright. Gave you my heart for one evening. Girl, you changed up like the seasons on me. You broke my heart for no reason. That shit's fucked up. That shit's fucked up. Yeah. Gave you my heart for one evening. Girl, you changed up like the seasons on me. You broke my heart for no reason. That shit's fucked up.
Good morning, guys. I'm not sure which vlog this is gonna go in, but you know I am doing entrepreneur vlogs now, so I just got on here because I want to say Grand Rising, and we are about to go and label the products that I made last night. They have not been labeled yet. They need their labels so that I can go ahead and take pictures for them, add them to my website. It's my busy work day in the office. We're gonna go ahead and get started with labeling products first. As you can see, I already got my labels right here. I'm about to put them in the printer, and yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. So watch me work. Uploading a video right now, so that's what we're doing.
That's just fucked up. I didn't know I could love you. Yeah. But when I saw you come put nobody above you. Yeah. I did.
Ooh, these body look so cute. We got the body scrub labels and the body butter labels. So we're about to go ahead and print. Sincere's in school right now. And mommy is working per usual. Right, baby?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna change this to photo glossy paper and print. All right, let's go check it out. What the labels look like when they were printed out, and I absolutely love them. They're perfect. So I'm about to label my body scrubs and body butters real quick, and I'll just go ahead and set you guys up so you guys can watch me do that.
Didn't think you would turn on me, but you did. Yeah, you did. And you ain't got no remorse. I hit her up and she hit me right back with that da like it's Morse. She said that we should let life run its course. I said of course. And now I'm all alone. Oh yeah. Gave you my.
Let me talk to y'all real quick. So I absolutely love these labels, okay? I think that I added the little hot cocoa cup on them, which makes them look a lot better in my opinion. But this is not the same label that I use, or this is not the same design label that I use for the body the body oil and the body mist. So let me show y'all. It doesn't have the cocoa on there, so I'm wondering if that's even, you know, if they're even gonna look good. So let me show you. These are not yet. Hold on. Let me show y'all. So yeah, this is the same label that I've used for the body oil and the body mist, but it doesn't have the hot cocoa on the side. So I'm wondering, like, do I need to change these labels out to make them match the body scrub and the body butter. I'm probably going to do it because my perfectionism is blowing me a little bit. Like, this one is cute. And, yeah, so anyway, let me go ahead and list this bundle at least, or take some photos for this bundle because this one is complete now. I'm going to go ahead and do that, and I will let you guys watch me.
Hard in one evening. Girl, you changed up like the seasons on me. You broke my heart for no reason. That shit's fucked up. That shit's...
So this hot cocoa fragrance, you guys, let me tell you, let me not even go ahead and be biased. I'm just going to tell you what it genuinely smells like. It genuinely smells like hot cocoa. Okay, so here's what I got so far. We got the body butter and we got the body scrub to match. And I love the way that these look, okay? So this label is not doing it for me. I'm going to end up changing it. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and take the photos and get some of these things listed on my website.
Fucked up. Oh, gave you my heart for one evening. Girl, you changed up like the seasons on me. You broke my heart for no reason. That shit's fucked up. That shit's fucked up. I had thoughts about you day and night, day and night. I had thoughts about you, and you right. This was a love game. You didn't love back. I didn't love that. You left me broken. You left me lonely. You left me lonely. You left me hurting. I ain't deserve it. I ain't deserve this. You didn't care. You didn't care for me. You wasn't there for me. I hate to admit it, but I take you back. I take you back in a heartbeat. I take you back in a second. You put me second. I put you first. Girl, you the worst. Girl, you the worst. You left me laying right here in a hearse. Oh, why you gotta do me like that? Like that.